Ancient India, who used the cave of Barabar as their shelter house, Ajivika. The, in Indian art, the construction of Stupa, Chaitya and Bihar related to which of the following? Buddhism. The association of Khajuraho temple architecture, where Chandel. Art of Gandhara style flourished during the region of Kusan. The oldest sculpture of Buddha is made in which style? Gandhara style. The temple of Devgarh near Jhansi and the sculpture in the temple at Garhwad near Allahabad, Prayagraj are the important remains of which art? Gupta art. The painting of Bodhisattva Padmpani is located at Ajanta. In which of the following inscription is an example of widow burning mansion? Iran pillar inscription of Bhanu Gupta. The contribution in the construction of Khajuraho temple architecture were Chandela. Borobudur is the most amazing stupa in the world and whose magnificent example is its statue and sculpture. India Java art. According to Chinese source, Meghavarman, the ruler of Sri Lanka, sent a missionary to which of the following Gupta king for permission to build a Buddhist temple at Gaya? Samudragupta. South India, Chola, Chalukya, Pallav and Sangam period. Who was the founder of Chola dynasty? Vijayala. Chola was most famous for village assembly. Which medieval Indian empire was famous for elaborate local self-government? Chola. Which dynasty built the Kailasnath temple and which state? Pallav, Tamil Nadu. Which of the following temple is located in Kanchipuram? Ikambareswar temple. The Brihadeswar temple at Tanjore was constructed by Rajaraja I. Which of the following was capital of Chera dynasty? Khuburabud. Which of the following dynasty is not mentioned in Sangam literature? Kadamba. Why was Urayur famous in Sangam era? An important trade center of cotton. The attractive door of the temple of South India are called Gopuram. Who established trade relation with Roman Empire? Chera. During whose reign did the Persian traveler Abdul Razak came to India? Devrai II. Ancient literature and literature. Which of the following Indian philosophy has given the theory of atom? Vaiseshika. In Kalidas Kumar Sambhavam, what mythological character's birth story is found? Kartikya. Who of the following was writer of Mudra Rakshak? Visakha Datta. What is the name of Megasthenes' book? Indica. Who was the author of Indica? Megasthenes. Brihat Samhita, Brahmhira, Mushika Vamsa Atula, Rajtarangani Kalhana, Vikramanka Deva Charitra Bilhana. कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र, पाणिनि अष्टध्यायी, कमंदा का नीतिसार, कालिदास कुमार संभव. What is the name of Kalhana? Book Rajtarangani. Kautilya Arthashastra is a book based on book on the principle and practice of governance. Kautilya Arthashastra deal with the aspect of political policies. Who was the author of the Arthashastra? Kautilya. Which pair correctly matches the king of ancient medieval? Them. B. Mahendra Burman, Marty Bilas Paramhans. Amuk मलयादा कृष्णदेव राय वन. समारंगन सूत्रधार किंग भोज. मानसोल्लास सोमेश्वर थ्री. Who wrote Periplus of the Erythraean Sea? It describes Roman Egypt. The author of Prithviraj Raso. Chand Bardai. Who wrote the book Prithviraj Raso? Chandra Bardai. Author of Swapnabhasa Badatta Bhasa. Kumar Sambhavam Kalidas. Who wrote the book Kirtarjunia Bhadavi? Name the source that is silent about the trade routes. Milind Panao. Who wrote the book Harsh Charitra? Banbhat. Charak Medicine. Brahmagupta Mathematics. Brahmira Astrology. Visakha Datta Playwright. Niti Saran. Early book of politics was written by Kamandaka. Who was the founder of Karnad dynasty? Nannadev. Who was the last ruler of Karnad dynasty? Harisimha. Consider the following विक्रमशिला. विक्रमशिला बांका में नहीं है, भागलपुर में है. गोपाल नहीं, धर्मपाल बनाया था. इनको पूछ रहा वही बजरान सेक्टर है बुद्धिज्म का और स्टोन. ठीक है. Which ruler Bengal founded the ancient University of Vikramshila? Vikramshila Dharmpal. Vikramshila University studied Dharmpal. Founder of Vikramshila Dharmpal. Maithili language started to develop during the reign of Karnad dynasty. Avantipur Educational Center was located in Bihar. Which Sultan was reputed to be Akbar of Kashmir? Sultan जैनुल अबिदान. मेडिवल कल देखेंगे.